You have to take off your ano.
How?
Ano to?
Saan galing to?
Dagat.
Hindi, ano, nakaganyan talaga. Oh my God, anak, go. Oh my God, it's so tiring.
You can lose weight.
Yan na naman si Luso ito. Come on, try it. Which part of ano to?
Mama, are you hungry?
I can't, anak. Steve, not too high. Nakakapagod.
Oh, you're
Ano ikaw? Si
Get
Kuya.
your hand.
Oh, go. Try to go to Steve.
I can't.
I can't.
Okay. I'm trying.
Grabe, dito
Are
sila
you peso?
Dito sila nagpipiknik, anak.
I need help.
Dito. This is ano? Paano to? Paano nagkameron dito ng sand,
Oh
anak?
no.
Diba? Paano nagkameron?
Wow.
Sana may slide. Hihintayin mo yung sunset, ha? Ayun, oh. Wait, anak, I can. Oh, go. Up to where? Sige. Check mo kung hanggang saan mo kaya, anak. Go.
I can.
Wala kang slide. Si ate. Alonso, go to kuya. Kuya, too far. Ang layo ni kuya, anak. Take your time, anak. Take your time lang.
Dad, I saw my son.
No rush. Take your time lang to climb up. Oh my God, thunderstorm? Oh, matumba ka, anak, ha?
Oh, the sun.
Layo mo, anak. Sige, matumba ka, ha? Oh, sige, mag-roll over ka. Pababa. Okay na?
Let's go.
Let's go na.
Go up.
Oh, slow down, anak. Slow
No,
down.
no.
Go. Back na. Roll over. No, anak, no. Ang taas. Grabe, nasa mountain yung sand. Ano nangyari? Next time, anak, let's bring your, snow something. What is that? The one we bought in Costco? And then you slide down here, oh. Diba? Like the surfing board. Oo. Kaya lang dangerous pala kasi you're gonna go straight in the kalsada. Ay si kuya, let's go!
Let's go!
Ang layo ni kuya. Steve, matumba ka, ha?
Let your mom,
Steve, stop na, stop!
Mom, let your feet.
What happened?
Let. Mama, let your feet.
Ano ba yan? Ay ko. Ano? Oh, yung slipper ni kuya naiwan niya. Where's yours? Na kay daddy?
Yeah, I like daddy. I put that there on the last ship.
Okay.
That
5 minutes na lang to.
that is sleeping shoes.
Oh my God. Throw mo. 2.
Two.
Let's go.
No, one. Go up. Go up.
Wanna go up again?
Yeah.
Let's go na daw, sabi ni Dada. Oh, one more time. Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Alonso, be careful. Throw mo ulit yung slipper ni Kuya. Throw mo ulit.
No, it's again.
Yeah. Aray ko. Wait lang. Let's go, anak. Grabe. It's a mountain of sand. Ganito siguro sa ano.